Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll speak about APA style again, but more about title page. So why use APA? This allows others to access your sources. And secondly, helps you stay organized. Moreover, it establishes credibility and prevents plagiarism. A title page is required for all APA style papers. There are both student and professional versions of the title page. Students should use the student version of the title page unless their instructor or institution has requested they use the professional version. APA provides a student title page guide to assist students in creating their title page. So the student title page includes the paper title, author names, uh, affiliation, course number, and name for which the paper is being submitted, instructor name, assignment due date, and page number as shown in the following example. So students' paper do not include running head unless requested by the instructor or institution. So here you can see an example. In fact, one technician suggests general wisdom of every new technology progresses through four phases: disbelief, hype, backlash, and finally acceptance or rejection. So in brackets, author's name is given, his last name, and through comma is given the year and page of the number. Another approach. So here you can see in bracket at the end of the sentence, but the year at the beginning. In fact, Philly. So when introducing a quote by an author, info in parentheses changes, and the page is at the end. What info would you provide in the parentheses? So a source with no author. Here you can see the usage of quotation marks for titles of articles or chapters and italics for titles of books. And if the source doesn't list in a list author or editor, provide the first one or two words of the title. A source with multiple authors. So note that APA 7 provides slightly different directions for formatting the title pages of professional papers. Those intended for scholarly publication and student papers. For example, those turned in for credit in high school or college courses. All text on the title page um, should be double-spaced and typed in either 12-point Times New Roman font. So, and here the most important points of the reference page: the author, title of the work, publication information, other necessary information. All words should be centered and capitalize the first letter of important words. Position the title of the paper uh, in the upper half of the page. The title should be centered and printed in boldface, and important words should be capitalized. The APA recommended that your title should be a maximum of 12 words and should not contain abbreviations or words that serve no purpose. Position author name below paper title, centered, double-spaced. Do not use titles Doctor or Degrees, PhD, doctor, and so on. If a paper has two or more authors, place the word "and" without quotes between the names. If there are three or more authors, separate the authors' names with commas and use "and" before the last author's name. And the most important point you should know is that uh, the more you practice, the more you do APA style in your research writing, the better you will learn and remember how to do it well. So this is the end of our presentation. Thank you so much for watching this video up until the very end, and I'll see you soon in the next videos. Goodbye.